Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can increase limits on PayPal account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, you'll have to log in into your account, and once you're logged into your account, on the other page, you'll be directed to your home page. So on the home page, you have to tap on activity in the top left corner of your screen. So after you tap on activity on the other page, you'll need to tap on pending, which is right at the bottom. And then on the third step, you'll have to tap on detail. So once you tap on detail on the other interface, you have all the information, and you can see right at the bottom you have an option as view payment method agreement details. So all you have to do is just tap on it, and as soon as you tap on it on the other page, you have to tap on edit billing limits, which is right in center. Once you're on this interface, you have to enter the limit amount, and then you'll have to select it as dollar or cents. After you're done entering the limit amount, all you need to do is tap on save, which is right at the bottom, and then you've successfully increased your limit on PayPal account. So that is how you can increase limit on your PayPal account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.